Kayden gets to go on the Shrek bus, Universal Orlando Shrek bus. We're gonna wait to see how loud the ramp is, hey? Let's check it out. Oh, that's nice and quiet. Look at how nice and quiet that is. Oh, kabunk.
Doesn't matter which one.
There he is. Kayden's gonna be all strapped in this bus. Mom gets to sit right in front of you. There it goes in. He'll watch these videos all night of the bus ramp. Literally, that's his favorite. Hey? How's that, Kayden? That's a nice quiet bus ramp, hey? This is a nice clean bus.